Okay. Our next component is just a typical speed sensor, and there again, it's used in many applications throughout multiple industries. The first question, and we have specifications here, if the gap between the tone wheel is 0.452 inches, which is just under a half inch, the indicated speed will be accurate. The actual clearance is 0.050 to 0.0875. So if it is 0.452, that means that it is going to be further away from whatever is turning for it to sense the speed. So if you have it close within specification, it'll be accurate. The further away, it may or may not be registering at all if you are a half inch away. So that's false. Next question, the internal magnet strength is directly relative to the output of signal voltage. That's correct. If you have a weak magnet in here and that electromagnet here, which is essentially you're going to be creating a current, if that magnet is weak, then the reflected output therefore is going to be diminished. All right, the specification as far as resistance is approximately 3 kilo ohms, 3,000 ohms plus or minus 200 ohms. Now if we check it with digital multimeter, there again we're going to touch the leads together, make sure that we're functioning, our leads are good, and checking the resistance of the leads. And then this sensor is open circuit, so it is not within specification. The next question is checking the stagnant voltage of the sensor, find it to be within 12 volts. This sensor just sitting here stagnant does not generate voltage. Next question, if this type of sensor is installed to measure speed using a polycarbonate tone wheel at the correct gap, the correct speed will be reflected. That's false. Not a polycarbonate tone wheel. And that's all on our speed sensor.